of same size, 2 glasses, and one a salt. I will take 1 glass of water and I will pour it. Okay, little bit more is fine. Oh, fine. Okay. Then I'll keep 1 lemon. See, the lemon is sinking, and now I will keep in another glass. Okay. Then I will take two tablespoons of salt. Oh, okay. One more I will keep because it is not enough. Okay, now it's fine. So I will mix it till it gets dissolved completely. I think the salt is not enough. Salt is not enough that much. I'll get more salt. Oh, okay, fine. So I'll again stir. Okay, it got dissolved. Now I'll keep this lemon. See, now you can see it's floating. Why so? Because in 1 glass of water, plain water, we kept that lemon, that one. So in that, the lemon's density is more than this water density. And in the second glass, that water's density and salt's density gets joined. So it becomes greater density. And this lemon's density is lesser. That's why the lemon is floating. Thank you.